Thank you. Okay, here goes Delta. She's the smaller one, but this girl got technique. It's the only dog I know that has technique in a fight. She goes after his legs, then goes high, and she goes low. Oh! And there's my daughter sitting on the couch. Maya, put that down. Put it down. There you go. All done. Maya, what is that? You got glasses? You got the glasses? Oh yeah. You're looking cool with those glasses on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Silly girl. Or just break the glasses. Yeah? Where's your glasses? You threw them on the floor? Maya, pick up your glasses. Pick up your glasses. Put them back in your toy box. Or put them on. There you go. There you go. That's how mommy does it. Here, give them to me. Thank you. Alright, no. No. So this is my wife. They did makeup and everything for her for some runway. Tell them what it is, Jen.
It's a graduation that my friend has, and she's doing my hair and my makeup. My hair's not done, but this is what they did to my face.
That's the most makeup I've ever seen on her face.
Yeah, I don't wear lipstick. I don't wear any of that stuff, and it's a lot for me. Why, Mommy?
The little one wants her bottle.
You want your bottle, Baba?
That right there.
Come on, let's go get your bottle.
That right there.
Go get it. Go get it from Daddy.
Bottle?
Bottle. Say thank you. Say thank you to Daddy. No? Come on, let's go lay down. Where's your baby?